Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check if anyone is spying on your phone. Alright, let's begin. First, check the top of your screen for a small orange or green dot. An orange dot indicates that your microphone is in use, while a green dot means that your camera or both your camera and microphone are active. If you see these dots, but aren't on a call or using FaceTime, it might mean someone is spying on you. Next, open your phone and go to the keypad. Type in 21 and press call. This will show if any call forwarding features are enabled. If voice, data, or fax call forwarding are not disabled, someone could be redirecting your calls. Now, go into your phone settings, scroll to apps, then locate and access phone and tap on call forwarding in the settings. If it's enabled without your permission, turn it off. Also, review your location services in Privacy and Security. You can do that by getting to the Settings homepage and selecting the Privacy feature. Then tap on Location at the top and all the apps will be listed. If apps are tracking your location without your knowledge, disable location access for those apps. Lastly, check the battery section for any apps draining power unexpectedly, as they might be spyware. If you see suspicious apps, delete them. So, that's basically how you can check if anyone is spying on your phone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.